Hello everybody, Princess and the Bear here.
We're not gonna make it.
We're not gonna make it. We're here at Dinosaur in Animal Kingdom. We're gonna take you with us today. We can go for a ride.
I gotta say though, Dinosaur smells like Indiana Jones ride to me. So if you've ever been on the Indiana Jones ride at Disneyland, you gotta go on Dinosaur. The track is the same, the scents are the same, the ride is badass.
The track isn't exactly the same.
It's the
close.
exact same.
It's close.
Be sure to subscribe.
Like, comment, all the rest of the stuff. We'll see you soon.
There's no like drops or anything, but it's more like stuffing, like it just kind of pops out at you. And this one?
Hey everybody, it's me again, Bill Nye, the science guy. You ever hear of paleontology?
The Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there! Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See?
Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Hey, it's me again. Remember, only you guys are going on this special mission. This one's a vegetarian.
Thanks.